I wish to register my gratitude to the International Youth Fellowship for inviting me to be part of this 2021 online International Youth Fellowship World Cup. I congratulate the International Youth Fellowship on its 20th anniversary, and I commend the International Youth Fellowship for the work done all over the world, especially in the field of the mindset change. As you celebrate 20 years of working for the youth in the world, I salute you for helping the youth to grow into insightful leaders of this era and the future. As you gather and empower them to overcome difficulties despite the multiple differences in cultures, language, and even religion, I pray that God blesses us with more years of fruitful deliberations. I have experienced the works of International Youth Fellowship in Uganda, particularly in schools, prisons, government and private institutions, and even communities. It is gratifying to work and relate with organizations like International Youth Fellowship that provide realistic solutions to the problems affecting the youth in the world. I would therefore like to send warm greetings to the youth from all over the world who attended this World Camp. The youth are not just leaders of tomorrow, but of today. Across the world, youth have demanded for their rights and space to engage in the development of their countries and communities. Many have demonstrated immense resilience and innovation and are now actively engaged in the political, social, and economic progress of the world. They have presented solutions to resolving problems of youth in the whole world. I had a chance to look through the annual International Youth Fellowship Camp program and realized it offered unique opportunities, including a platform for youth around the world to connect and grow together. The International Youth Fellowship Camp package was designed to help youth change how they think, see, and do things together. In other words, inculcating into young people mindset change. The camp provided an opportunity for you all to reach out to each other and others who you are going to meet when you return to your countries. Generate strength from each other, share your stories, dreams, and challenges. Through this event, I believe a global network of like-minded young people have been formed. In Uganda, the NRM government introduced programs like Youth Livelihood Fund, which the youth are encouraged to take advantage of and also get involved in commercial, agriculture, industry, and ICT. However, all this need an ideological, developed, and emancipated youth. Therefore, programs like those of International Youth Fellowship targeting mindset change are key to the social economic development of the world. I am happy that the World Camp has given you the critical tools for survival. Therefore, do not stand by the sidelines. Act where you can within your family and community. Take charge. Come up with realistic solutions to the problems that people near you are currently facing, including those that are imposed on the world by the COVID-19 pandemic. In conclusion, I would like to applaud the International Youth Fellowship founder, Reverend Dr. Ok So Park, for organizing the 2021 Online World Cup and inviting me to be part of this wonderful program with the young people. I am again congratulating the International Youth Fellowship on its 20th anniversary, and as the World Camp 2021 comes to an end, I wish all the young people who have attended the 5-day online International Youth Fellowship World Camp God's peace, joy, and success in all your present and future endeavors. I thank you all for God and my country.